Hello guys, today I'll be talking about installing a web server in your machine PC and hosting a simple website so that you can use it for your testing purposes. So this way we can interact with the back end as well as the front end. So this will be a simple installation that will take only some minutes so that you can get it up and running and do your testing part. The first step to install the web server is you have to download Apache Launch. You have to go to apachelaunch.com and here you can download the latest version and Windows 64 or 32 according to your preference. Once you download it, you will get a zip file and you have to extract the zip file and get all the contents. So from the contents, you'll get a folder called Apache 24. You just have to copy that Apache 24 and paste it in your C drive. So once it is pasted, so the next step you have to do is you have to start command prompt and then you have to navigate to that folder. You have to start command prompt as a admin. And then you have to navigate to that folder apache 24/bin. So from here you have to write the command httpd k and install. So once you do this command, what you will get is there will be a service created in your services. So here you can see Apache 2.4 services created. So you can start the service. So now the service is started. So it's live and running your local host. So what I'm going to do is I'll just download this todomvc.com website and I'll just try to mirror it. Once you click download, what you will have is you will have also a zip file, todomvc master zip, and once you extract it, you will have all the contents. You don't have to do anything. You can just copy everything and paste it in the htdocs. So I just copied it and pasted it, and make sure your text.html is there. That is the root of your web page anyway for all the pages. So once it is copied and pasted, you can just type localhost and you can see the website is up and running. So that's it guys. I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.